This tutorial is for creating blog posts in Squarespace 7.0. On the left column, click Pages. Next, find your blog page by locating the lowercase a icon. If you have more than one blog page on your site, confirm that you are editing the correct one by checking the content within that page. Click the title of your chosen blog. The title for this example page is titled Blog. Your title may be different. Next, click the plus icon. Add a title in the title field. Please note that titles must be 200 characters or fewer. Next, begin to add some starting text for your post. This will get your post at a good starting point, but we'll come back to finishing your blog post in a bit. At the bottom of the panel, click Save. Now that we've gotten our post started, we'll work from the visitor's view, rather than the setting panel we were just in. This will give us the same perspective that our visitors will see when reading our blog. Next, hover your cursor over the starter text and double-click or click the Edit option at the top right next to Post. You can now continue after your starting text or edit what you posted in the text block. If you'd like to add a section heading to divide the contents of your blog post into small components, simply click the plus icon located above or below where the subheading will go. Then click Text in the pop-up menu. Click inside the new text block and switch Normal to Heading 2 or Heading 3. We suggest reserving Heading 1 for your main titles only. This is automatically done for you when you first enter the title of your blog. If you'd like to add a standout quote block in your blog post, simply click the plus icon located where you wish the quote to be placed. Then click Quote in the pop-up menu. To edit the filler text provided, click on the quote, then click the pencil icon. You can also double-click the quote to bring up the editing panel. Enter in the quote and the quote source. Once you're done, click out of the panel to close it. If you'd like to include a quote embedded into the body of your post, but still highlight its importance, you can do so by entering into a new line of text. Select the quotation marks icon in the toolbar located above the text block you're working in. Then enter in the quote and quote source. Please note, This method will require you to format the text and quote source yourself. Now let's see how you can add an image gallery into your blog post. Once again, simply click the plus icon located where you would like the gallery to be placed. Then click Gallery from the pop-up menu. To upload images from your device, select the Upload Images option. To add images from your Squarespace image library or stock photos from Unsplash, click the plus icon found at the bottom right corner. You can also use this method to upload images from your device. If you'd like to insert a video from either YouTube or Vimeo, select Add Video. Copy and paste the URL into the field at the top. A title and thumbnail will automatically generate for the selected video. If you want to change the title, feel free to do so. You can also add a brief description if you'd like. Once your video or image has been uploaded, you can add another or a collection of images. Click the plus icon at the bottom right. Choose Select Images, Upload Images, or Add Video. For this example, we're going to choose Search Images. You can choose from your personal library, free images or premium images. Note, premium images will require an additional purchase. For this video, we're going to use the My Library option. Select the images you'd like to use, then click Add at the bottom right. Then click Save. If you ever need to delete an individual image, hover over the image in the panel and click the trash can icon at the top right of the image. If you'd like to continue on with your blog after your gallery, just click the blue plus icon below the gallery block. Select Text and continue writing. Once you're finished writing your post, or if you need to stop for the day, click Save at the top left. This saves your work, but does not publish it, if it's a blog post that hasn't been published yet. If it has been published, then this will save any updates you made to that post. When you're ready to publish your blog post for your reading audience, hover over the blog post you'd like to publish on the left and select Edit. At the bottom right, you'll see Draft. Click on that to bring up different options for posting. You can keep it as a draft, mark it for review, schedule it to be posted at a specific date and time, or publish it immediately. To schedule it for a later date and time, select Scheduled. Then click the underlined time frame again to bring up a calendar and clock. Choose your date, enter your time, and then click anywhere on the Edit Post panel to close the calendar. Because this is a blog post, you can add tags and categories just like events. You can also copy and paste an excerpt from the blog post into the Options tab. Also, copy and paste the title in the SEO title field. Once everything is set, click Save, or Save and Publish if posting it immediately, to publish the blog post so that your visitors can see your new entry. And that's it. Remember, adding an image or any additional information to your posts is completely up to you. If you have any additional questions, please reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing 1288 Web Development.